Welcome to Grand Designs Live. This year it's going to be bigger and better than ever.
Really enjoying it. Some really good designs, really good ideas.
There's some incredible things here.
We've got a project that we're starting to engage with and we've got lots of ideas.
There's so much to be inspired by and to learn about technologies, things that impact the way that we live by considering the environments we live in.
You know, the TV show makes you dream big, but the live show, we help you realise those dreams.
We had a wonderful show, really enjoyed it, got lots of ideas, we're going away really inspired.
Marks out of 10?
10, definitely.
Yeah, we'll go with a 10.
And would you come again and recommend it to friends?
Definitely.